Hello from Nysätra Parken in Nacka. I'm out exploring yet another beach on this cloudy Tuesday with my Scott, and it took me around 20 minutes to reach this beach from my home. That is part of this nice park located in the Sickla area. So the park is empty right now. There are nearby houses here with view over Sickla lake, and here it says Nysätra. It's actually part of the house neighborhood here that's with the same name. And yes, it is 2nd of July 2024, and it's time for another beach adventure with Chris. We have 20 degrees Celsius in the air right now, and in Sickla Lake it is 21 degrees Celsius. It was a bit sunny on my way in, and I think that the sun is on the horizon also, so it will come up in during our beach adventure. So yes, Nysätra Parken in Sickla. And I have chosen this spot because it was a bit crowded on the main Sickla Badstrand. And here we have also that some information about the neighborhood here as well. And yes, let's then dive in and enjoy in this beauty here with a swim. I'm just waiting for the sun to come up because it's much more better. The episodes are much better with sun, and here it is, the sun. So let's then use it while it's out there. Amazing. All right, so I'm so ready for the swim. 21 degrees, it's quite nice and warm. Sickla Lake, it's quite small, and it's connected then to Järla Lake as well, that eventually ends up in the Baltic Sea, if I'm not mistaken now. And yeah, Sickla is a quite central area, I would say. It's very close to the central part of Stockholm, and it will have also metro or tunnelbana, as we say in Sweden, in 6 years now. So they are building it for full, so that it will be better connected with the city. Yeah, the sun is still hiding a bit behind clouds, so I won't wait for it to appear. I will then take a swim. Let's go! It's so nice and refreshing indeed. It is very deep as well. I thought that I would stand here, but no, that's not how it's going to be. So yes, 2nd of July, the day starts to get also shorter right now, as we have reached the top of the longest day in 20th of June. So yeah, but still it's a very long day. It gets dark around 11, and it gets also bright from 1 AM already in Stockholm. If you go to North Sweden, there is no night at all right now. It's day only. 5 degrees. So yes, then that's a wrap from Nysätra Parken here in Sickla neighborhood in Nacka municipality. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again then with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.